Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating and naming the document so it's findable. You want structure now, not later. Open Docs, hit New or Shift+T, then rename the file in the title bar. Next, move it into the right folder to aid search and permissions. Once done, enable offline access and adjust sharing defaults so collaborators don't break your workflow. These steps save time and prevent duplicates, which is why organization at the start matters. You now focus on efficient editing and collaboration. Apply styles for consistent headings. Use shortcuts like Control or CMD with Alt and numbers to speed formatting. When working with others, switch between suggesting and editing, leave comments, and assign tasks so changes are traceable. Use the Explore tool for research and insert citations quickly. Make sure to name versions regularly and review version history to understand changes. That way, you finish by validating content and preparing final outputs. Turn off suggesting, then accept or reject all tracked edits to create a clean master. Review formatting and accessibility, then export via file download to PDF or Word depending on delivery needs. Once exported, confirm headers, page breaks, and embedded images rendered correctly. If syncing or sharing fails, check your network, sign out and back in, or toggle offline mode. This single troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.